We're gathered here today in Sheffield at the Cutler to discuss the importance of advanced manufacturing. So the focus here today is really urging policymakers to get behind manufacturing.
It's been fantastic. This event has been held in Sheffield. It would be great for it to be held here more often. And it's great to see that everyone is trying to push everything forward for the region and for engineering manufacturing.
Training is really important, and the next generation. And we need to understand what's going on and bringing the next generation along. And we've also understood really where we need to go with digital technologies, and actually we need to take some action, we need to do something.
We've sponsored the event through Made Smarter today, and I found it a really useful place where a lot of great ideas have come together about Industry 4, the skills and the experience and the technologies needed to bring the region forward.
A really fantastic day, lots of great businesses, loads of great conversations been had, and I think people have already, we've seen businesses and we've seen multipliers getting together, having those conversations, putting new ideas out there, and actually hopefully coming away with new strategies, new developments, and a new way forward really to make sure that the manufacturers, particularly here in Yorkshire, but across the north, and again the UK generally, can take advantage of these opportunities, take advantage of these global opportunities to be able to ensure that they can continue to invest in the businesses, create jobs, create new jobs, take advantage of those new jobs, and really build a sort of more prosperous future.